Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are out in East LA, gonna hit up the Foot Locker outlet. But first, we're gonna hit up Nike East LA Community Center. Let's go. Here they do have a ton of refurbished. I think this is a size 9 area right here. This might work. The Zoom hard courts right here for tennis, $90. That's a size 9, like new. Ooh, these might work too. These are size 10. Remember, this is the back wall, so you do get an extra 30% off everything. This is like pretty decent. Pretty decent right here. Specifically made for indoor soccer. $50 for those. Not his size though. Air Force One retros right here. Obviously these have been tried on. But look at that price. $75. These might work right here specifically for tennis. 9.5. Really good side to side movement. $35. 35 freaking dollars. Holy cow. Alright, these run hella big. Even I could wear these, so yeah, that's too big. Dang it. Smaller sizes, a size 8. This would actually probably be perfect. The Vapor Attack Academies, 95. Oh, that's actually kind of pricey. Cleats right here go for 102. Ja ones go for $60, slightly imperfect. Holy cow. Cosmic Uni 96. And then these are gently worn, go for 80. These are all size 8s. These would probably be legit. Hyperspeed cords going for 45. These look big though. These look too big. Invincible Run Flyknits going for 90. I showed these already. Look at these Jordan 1 bread toes right here. Jordan 1 the OG bread toes. Going for 30% off. That is fire. Holy cow. 11.5. Do got the Dunk High right here. These are the candy corns. 125. You do get that 30 off. That's pretty fire. 6 rings going for 90. These are size 11s. 10.5 Tatum going for $60. Slightly imperfect. UT Jump 2s going for 90. That's a hell of a deal. Jordan 38. The FIBA colorway. That's 70 after the discount. Size 11 Zoom trainers going for 47. I wish I could find my kid size on that. That'd be perfect. Look at this Air Force One utilities, $40. You get an extra 30% off. Holy cow. Invincible Run Flyknit 11.5, 108. Size 12 Zoom Waffle 3s, $35, slightly imperfect. Soccer cleats going for $60 right here. Did I say size 12? I mean size 12, 54 for that one. Size 13, they got some wrestling shoes. Is wrestling or boxing? Wrestling or boxing. Nike Inflict going for 55, slightly imperfect. Pegasus 14, size 13s right here, 65 for those, slightly imperfect. Witness 8, size 15 right here, $66 like new. Size 14, $75 for the Metcon 9s. Cosmic Unity 3s going for 85, gently worn, size 11.5. More Witnesses, Witness 8, $55, slightly imperfect. Zoom Freak 5, slightly imperfect right here, 70. And then size 13 men's right here, $180 for those. Do got an avid supporter, Will. He found his Invincible Run Flyknits right there. We're gonna go check out the clothing. Appreciate you, Will. I told Will I gotta be on the down low here because they do trip on stuff. But yeah, they got refurbished clothing. Look, $28 for these sweats. Refurbished Tech Fleece shorts going for $48. Refurbished hoodie. This is like a heavyweight one, $60. Remember, you do get another 30 off. Yeah, they got stuff here, but you know, 75 for that. But all right, we're gonna go to the next spot. Got multiple forms right here, $80 each, which means fit 40, but I'm too lazy to do the math for you guys all the time. So yeah, 60 for the Huaraches right here. And then do got these. These are very limited in sizing. I think there's like 120 or something like that, and you get that 50 off. Got some all leather Chucks right here. And there's a symbol so you guys know it is a legit one. Got LeBrons right here. Get these for 100. If either of these were on sale at all, well, in addition to the 50% off, I would definitely get these for my kiddo. I think these would be perfect. All kinds of slides going for 50, which means 25. What are these Pumas? I'm not too familiar with these. Oh, is this the Dapper Dan one? Dapper Dan Puma suedes. So these are going for $35. And Dapper Dan is hella bougie, so it's got that nice material on it. $80 for Dunk highs, which means $40 for these bad boys. And MB1s right here for $40 as well. They had a ton of sizes. And I know that because they have these on the sales tables. I don't see too many now. Workers did correct me. Those are not 50% off. The 50% off, it excludes Dunks and includes Jordans. So my bad, you guys. But I think these are go for my kiddo. I think they have an 8.5. He wears a 9, but these do fit a little loose. And it has good side-to-side support. For a running shoe, it has really good side-to-side support. I think this is the best thing I've found for my kiddo. Okay. Do got these right here. Diamond Supply Company. RSX right here. Do got these right here as well. Y'all know about these. $120 for those. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. I will take this one. I don't need this one, but I will take this one. Appreciate you. So these are 8.5. They do seem to, the 10 like was slightly big on me, so they seem to fit a little loose. And yeah, these are normally like 160 or something, 150 or something like that. The Hover Phantom 3s, these, like I said, these are normally like 160, $40, dude, 40 freaking dollars. Got multiple forms right here, $80 each, which means fit 40, but I'm too lazy to do the math for you guys all the time. So yeah, 60 for the Huaraches right here. And then do got these. These are very limited in sizing. I think there's like 120 or something like that, and you get that 50 off. Got some all leather Chucks right here. And there's a symbol so you guys know it is a legit one. Got LeBrons right here. Get these for 100. If either of these were on sale at all, well, in addition to the 50% off, I would definitely get these for my kiddo. I think these would be perfect. And this is the rest of the men's section. They do have a ton of stuff. Like I said, 50% off everything except the Dunks and the Jordans. But still a hell of a deal. Definitely worth the visit. You guys are in the area. Puma Roma's right there. 50% off, pretty freaking fire. Now, like I said, they do have a sales table right here. And I told you they do have certain sizes. They got plenty of those. Whoa, wait. Plenty of those. As long as you're above 11.5, so smaller size is gone. Question pumps right here, 120, and you get that 50 off, so $60 for those. Those look like there's a few sizes. What, 7.5, 8, 9, 10, 10.5, and 13s. Oh wait, there's a million over here on this size. Classic leathers, 70, so 35 for that one. That's only a size 13. Got the Gil Resto mods right here. Saw this last time. So these are $80. You do get 50% off of that. They only have a size 10.5. And then got these right here. I think this is the one where they got a few, yeah, yellow, white. So they have a few sizes right there, 9.5 and under. And then they got the Shaq Attacks. That one's upside down, so if I take that out, shoes are gonna fall out. Let's see what colorway. Oh, this is the OG colorway. Oh my goodness, the OG Shaq Attacks right there in the black. They have a few sizes right here, 8, 8.5, or 2 sizes. $40. Holy crap, $40. Man, that is insane. I showed them a couple weeks ago, so hopefully you guys were able to grab them if that is your size. They had more sizes earlier. Trae Young 2s right here. These are going for $40 after the discount. The Dapper Dan ones right here shows how many sizes they have. This is a display model, it looks like. But yeah, I got a few sizes, 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, 10. Got Superstars right here. Dang, I need a Superstar for a kid that I know. I don't know about this one. Oh, that ain't her size either because it's a kid. But yeah, I do got classic leathers right here. 70 for those. We just saw those. Street Fighter Workout Plus right here. So it does say fight right there. I don't see. Oh, there it is. There's that right there. Okay, these are size 12. I don't know. They're going to be cheap. And then a bunch of the $20 Converse right here. A bunch of Chucks. If y'all need t-shirts, they do have a ton of t-shirts on sale. And they got some decent stuff here. Look. Like Jordan with The Jordan emblem. Maybe this isn't 50% off though. I don't know. No, but that's 50. I don't know, but because they did say no Jordans, they did say no. And I don't know if it's a clothing. I don't know, to be really honest. I'll ask them in a sec. But yeah, I do got the hiking stuff right here. I know people who are a fan of the Nike hiking. Yeah, it says 50% off right there. Spurs. Who was the number one? Oh, Wembanyama. I don't really know the Spurs like that. But yeah, this is going for 20. So yeah, $20, so down to 10 bucks. Are you serious? That's what's up. Dang, so I screwed up in that thumbnail. This is the women's. So those are not going for $30. My bad, you guys, my bad. I usually try to get you guys super accurate information, but I guess I was wrong right here. These are the kids right here. This is the women's right here. A lot of sales tags, man. So as I reiterated, these are going for $60 Dunks and Jordans. The only thing that are not additional 50% off. But look, $40 Air Max ones. Are you effing serious? That's crazy. Got some more Dunks right here, but got RSX going for 40 right here. And MDs all white right here going for, what was that, $37.50. $40 for these hella green, super green, Grinch looking NMDs right there. Stewie's right here. Stewie 2s. I don't know. Okay, got these. These are second gen, all fire. Huarache's going for $50, so 25 bucks. Party Beat Reeboks right here, going for 25. Smackaroos. Did I really say smackaroos? Trying to switch things. 25 bucks for these. This is a dope colorway. These are pretty fire actually. And then dude got Converse in the women's right here, all going for $20. I got these up here too. Okay. Or RSX right here. Got Blazers right here, all going for 50 off. Dude got some Asics in the women's right here. And then got Air More Tempos. Got Vapor Max. And then these are some NMDs too, right? NMD S1s right here, going for 75. And the real crazy thing is the fact that they're 50% off already sales prices. The crazy thing about this spot is it's 50% off already reduced prices. It's not even off of retail, it's off of reduced prices. And that's how these shoes right here go from 100, I think these are what, 140, 150, 160, I don't know. I think they're 140 maybe they're 140. But 140 down to $40, that is just crazy. I think these will work for my kiddo. I think they're gonna work. And they do have a kids Foot Locker right here attached. But yeah, everything here is just a regular kids Foot Locker. So they do have sales. Got Crocs going for 20. Tons of red tags. That's off of the preschool right there. And even in grade school, they got the Air Barrage going for 60. All the foams on sale right there, but you don't get that extra 50% off this section right here. All right, let's pay for this for my kiddo and we're out, man. So yeah, so $35, dude, $35. That comes out to, well, over $100 off. Over $100 off of these. That is just freaking fire, man. All right, guys, I don't really know that spot that well. I don't know the workers or anything like that, but I'm gonna be honest, I would assume they're getting a ton of stuff. If you guys saw my Champs outlet video, they got boxes on boxes on boxes of stuff. So I'm assuming this spot's getting the same stuff. Foot Locker usually gets more than Champs too, for especially the heat items. So I would definitely be hitting this spot regularly if you guys can. There's also a Nike outlet out right here, or Nike community store, but pretty much a Nike outlet. They got a ton of refurbs, so you guys should be hitting these stores up pretty frequently, especially in the morning, especially early in the morning. You just never know what they're gonna get. I have a feeling I missed out on stuff. I don't know for a fact. I just saw that Champs outlet. I just saw them get a ton of stuff, so I'm assuming this place gets the same stuff. Yeah, check frequently, you guys, check frequently. 50% off, already reduced prices. Freaking crazy. I'm so glad I was able to get those shoes for $35, normally $140. I think normally $140. Might be $160, I don't know. But yeah, I was able to get that for my kiddo. Hella cheap, over $100 off. So yeah, make sure you guys check that store. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you help boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Subscribe. I got plenty of videos coming. My goal is a video every day for you guys. That's pretty much about it, man. Appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Appreciate you guys making it till the very end. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. we're done, you guys. We're done. See you guys next one. Peace.